Alright, this is a tutorial how to get Fusion. So, what you want to do first, you need a file explorer. I cannot stress this enough. You need a file explorer. If you don't have one, like CX File Explorer, go watch a different video, like or another tutorial how to get it. It should explain how. Um, so you will need to go to this YouTube link, which is this right here. Press this. Press the description. You need, if you don't have a file explorer, you can get if you don't have a file explorer, get box 1, box 2, box 3, Fusion, and box 5. If you already have one, you can download all of it except box 2. Once you have that, you will need to go to your Discord, join Fusion Networking Plus, this Discord right here. You want to go to devlogs, scroll up until you find this post, this message that was sent on June 17th, 2025. Download this. Also, you need to download Zero Tier 1, which is will allows you to join servers on Fusion. I'm not gonna explain how to download it in this video, but you can watch someone else's tutorial. So anyways, once you're done with that, you don't know, wait, actually hold on. Sorry. Um you're actually not done. You will need to go to your mod.io. So if you already have a mod.io account, you don't need one for this, but you'll need one in but make it just create a mod.io account. I use my Discord. Just search up 100% and do this one right here. 100% patch 6 has everything. Just go here. Don't subscribe to it, but go down and download it manually. Once you have that, you're done that. So you don't need that anymore. Well, actually, sorry, you're gonna need that for the future, for for later on. So once you have all that, go to your downloads, and you don't need Ragdoll V or Lagdoll Player. These are just like mods that I use that I have. The things you need to do, or you need to have for this, is this, and this. If you don't have it, you're gonna need to. Well, you probably will have it. So to you need to oh my god, bro, I can't speak today. You will need to go to, so let's do bonelab for example. Go to the box, check it, go to more, and then extract to itself. You gotta do that. You gotta do that for bonelib, if you're fusion, thunderstorm mod assistant, and slot zero save. Or if you have more mods like, excuse me, if you have more mods like ragdoll player or ragdoll view like I have, you just have to do the same. Once you're done that, you will need to open Lyman Loader if you have it installed. If it's the first time opening it, just accept these permissions. Go to apps. Do not patch bonelab yet, but we're gonna go to main storage, Android, OBB. Go to bonelab. Take these two OBBs. Do not copy them. Do not copy them, but move them to your downloads. Once they're in there, if you can confirm these two are in here, just go to bonelab on your lemon loader and then patch it. This will take a couple minutes, so just like this will take a couple minutes to do its thing. So just wait for a couple minutes and it should work. I have stick drift, I know. It won't take long. So it's just about to finish. It will ask you if you want to install bonelab, just press yes or okay. It's gonna ask you to reinstall it, just press install. It will in a few seconds here it will tell you to if you want to restore to the official version of bonelab. You just gotta press close. Otherwise, if you don't want to do it, then just press restore. Restore app, just press close. Now the patching is successful. So grab these two OBBs and move them back to your, move them back. Oh wait, hold on, I forgot. If you're if you're worried about your bonelab, like for me, like your bonelab folder just disappears. Don't worry. Go to your, press these three lines on the top. Go to search, and search up com dot starts over zero dot bonelab. Click it or just like search it. It should be right here. You wanna make sure it's the correct date, which is August 8th. You wanna move that back to your OBB and then grab the OBBs. That's a problem I have, but it's a quick solution. Android OBB, and you want to find bonelab, paste them back in there. It will take a couple seconds here for them to move back. Okay, once they're in there, you're done with that. So now, if you go to main storage, lemon loader, and you see bonelab, that means you did this right. So click on bonelab. You will see mods and plugins. We're gonna need to do something with that. So go to your downloads. Go to, let's do, we're gonna do slot zero save so we can just get this over with. Well, actually, no, that's not how we do it. Sorry. Um, so first let's do bonelib. You want to go to mods, and you want to get bonelib.dll. Just you don't want to get the XMI because it's always it's gotta be DLL. If it's not DLL, that means it's a PCVR mod. So when you have uh bonelib DLL, you wanna select it more. Sorry about that. You wanna move it. You're moving it to lemon loader, bonelab, and you want to put it in your mods. But you're going to need to go back to bonelib, plugins, move it to plugins. This is the updater. And just do the same for Fusion. Move Fusion to main storage, lemon loader, mods. You want to go to and go to and go to and go to plugins, Lab Fusion updater, plugins. Now it's in there, and Thunderstorm Mod Assistant. Thunderstorm Mod is not DLL. Move it to. Oh, it's doing this thing again. Sorry about that. Just making sure bugs. Um, Move it to mods and same thing for plugins. Now, most of your mods are now set up. By the way, if you have this, if you still have this open, just close that. You don't need that. Just minimize that. Now, most of your mods are now set up. So everything's now mostly set up, but you're not done yet. So if you downloaded the fnplus.dll, you want to go here. You want to move it to your mods. And that's for Fusion. So when you have that, you're almost done. You want to grab this the slot zero save.json, which is the 100% save. Move it to main storage, Android data. Scroll down till you find. Oh, hang on. Is this the same issue? Probably. Base APK. Uh-oh. Hold on, guys. We're having some difficulties. Oh, wait. Hold on. Yep. Sorry. Um, for that to appear on your in your Android data, you just gotta open the game. Sorry about that. Misunderstanding. Open your game. It's gonna ask you, do you want to like just press open app, but in a second here, it's gonna tell you to allow access to storage. Just press done, and then just force open your menu, and then go to bonelab, and just close it. Now, It should be there. It should be there. Uh-oh. Wait, hold on, guys. What's going on here? Why is it not showing up? Hold on, something's not right. Something is not right. Hold on, everybody. I am trying to figure this out. Let's see what this does. Oh, that's base APK. Hold on. This is not it. This is... Hold on, we're having some difficulties. I think, sorry for it. Sorry for that. Just try and open the game. It should create the files for you. It should. If it doesn't, then that's a big problem. Oh, is that it? Yep, okay. Yeah, that's what you need to do. You just need to open the game and then just check your just check it. It should create itself. So go here, files, saves, and this should be here. But if that happens to you and it's not there, just open the game, wait a couple seconds, it should create the files. Sorry about that confusion. Go to Android, data, files, saves. It should be in there. Just delete this one. Now just open bonelab now. Just wait a couple minutes. It will take a minute to get it all set up. There we go. Game's open. It will take a minute for the shader to pre-warm, so your Oculus will bonelab will lag your Oculus for a minute. It won't crash it though. It will just lag it for a few minutes. Okay, it should be almost done pre-warming the shader. So just wait a few more minutes and it should go back to normal. It's just gonna keep lagging for a couple minutes now. It should be almost done to pre-warming the shader. There we go. Oh, if you see main menu, it's supposed to be void, G11.5, whatever that is, the other one. So if you just see that and you're aware that the save is in there, just reopen your game. It just does that, so it just takes a minute for your thing to load up because it was pre-warming the shader cache. So just reopen your game, and it should be there. It should say G11. It should say void G11.5. If it doesn't, then I did something wrong. We have to wait for the game to open because it takes a couple minutes. Also, that the pre-warming it's only a one time. It's only one time, so you don't have to experience it every time. There you go. Yeah, you just need to reopen your game when it's done pre-warming, and now we're in G11.5 or G11.4. My apologies. If you did this correct, you should see bone menu right here. You should see Fusion, but it's not. When you try to download it, the missing Fusion thing is gonna tell you need to log in with mod.io.
There you go.
Which I am going to see if I can cut this part out. All right. Um, do not copy my code, otherwise it's just don't. If you do, then that's just really messed up. So just type in your code. It should tell you your device is connected. What you can do right now is just you can just like install your mods. I'm not gonna do that yet. Now, let's change your nice avatar. Let's do Ford. Now go to your preferences, Fusion. It should download it. You're not going to see the bitmart or the achievement board. Otherwise, until you download the missing Fusion content. Now, if you have that installed, if you reopen your game, you should see that. You should see the bitmart, the Fusion leaderboard, and the credit board. So let's just do that. Reopen the game. Open app. Just wait for the game to open, and it should. When you turn around, oh, the game crashed. Whoopsies. So when you turn around, when you open the game and get to the starting menu, when you turn around, you should see right behind you. You should see the bitmart. If you see the bitmart, the modded one, that means you have Fusion installed correctly. If you don't, that means you have you have Fusion installed incorrectly. But you most likely will have it installed correctly due to the tutorial. So. Okay, and now the game's refusing to open. That's pleasant. Okay. Sorry for the technical difficulties. The game is currently saying, "Oh hell no." The game's just like saying, "No, I don't want to open." If it is doing this issue, um, I don't know. Maybe just if it's like, I don't know, like doing this, like refusing to open like that. I don't know, but just to let you know, it is working. Um, just maybe uninstall, like not no, not uninstall. Just restart your quest. But yeah, it's not letting me open the game. So it should work. You should have Fusion and everything. You just follow that tutorial, restart, do all that. You should have Fusion. So yeah.